Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to my last analysis, since the price was here, we mentioned we're looking to see the 66,400 as a support. Then I mentioned if we get the breakout of the 66,400, then we can put our FIB and look for the 30, 50, and 61%. All right. As we can see, 2 times the price tag, there was a reversal. Then we see the rejection and a bit the breakout of the 66,400. And right now we see the price almost like 65,250. No one see we can see the breakout or we see the reversal. Anyway, we start with the daily chart. You want to see what we have been looking for. If you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy. And we mentioned we need to see the breakout of the 67,500 because we mentioned with the breakout of the 67,500, we can look for 74K and 81 because mostly we have been looking for 81K. But right now, even if we refer to my last analysis, we mentioned based on daily chart, we see we have a divergence. And mostly what we're looking for here, we're looking for correction for continuation because as we can see the price tag 67,500, but we see the rejection. All right. Now, the only thing is how deep this one can go. Even we can expect this one turn to a running flat before we take the next trade. And at this point, we're looking for the reversal. If we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And even if we move to forward chart, we don't see any trade setup. The only thing is how deep this one can go. This one can turn to similar to what we have here, as I explained based on daily chart. All right. But as we can see, based on forward, we don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell. And the best things is if we refer to the 1 hour chart. All right. Based on 1 hour chart, now we want to see if the price could break 65,250. The next one we can look for is 64,300 by following by 63,260. This is how deep this one can go. We don't want to see the breakout of 63,260. All right. Now, whether we should look for buy or sell, as I say, we don't see any trade setup based on 1 hour chart, either for buy or sell. And mostly if we get the, since this short drop is really sharp, if we see that we get the deeper correction or flag, we can look for continuation for price to drop. At this point, we don't see any, I mean, we are not really interested to look for sell unless we get the opportunity. In that case, I will give update. But for me, if I get any reversal as a sharp move flag, I will take the trade for buy. All right. Buying or selling at this point is not really a good idea. The only thing is for those traders, if they keep the trade within this move, at least move their stop loss to break even or take out the trade. All right. Now we have to wait, but mostly we're looking for the buy. The only thing is we have to see the reversal as a sharp move flag before we take the trade. But this down move, since it's really sharp, it's following by flag or correction, we can look for continuation. And even we can expect the price drop to somewhere around 63K. In this case, as I mentioned, we're looking for the reversal. If we get any reversal as a short move flag, we will take it. But right now, we don't see any trade setup, and the breakout and confirmation for the 67,500 following by 69K. This is the most important things, which right now we're looking for. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.